These threat signals coming from missiles and anti-aircraft artillery will be detected by RWR and MAWS, which then warn pilot. Countermeasures such as RF jammer, chaff, and flare will also be utilized to improve fighter survivability. To provide the necessary information to safely fly the aircraft in both manual and automatic modes of operation. Air Combat System will also provide weapon control and interface for air-to-air or air-to-surface weapons and the operation of internal gun. For this fighter, stores management and weapon control will also be used. Selective and emergency jettison will be provided to enable jettison of external stores when necessary. Air Combat System provides long-range reference using satellite and inertial sensors to acquire data for air vehicles and weapon delivery. Radio navigation equipment are also installed to provide information such as routes in tactical areas, as well as in approach and landing phases. Video and audio. All display data provide sunlight readability and NVIS compatibility to support day and night operations. Air Combat System will provide flight data saving and recovery functions necessary to guarantee operational performance requirements through subsystems monitoring and management. To achieve the success of technology development phase of KFXIFX program, integration of air combat system, requirement development of subsystem components, and architecture design were completed. The foundation to develop core technologies required for system development and the validation of operational requirements were also completed. Based on the successful results of TD phase, the target performance required in EMD phase will be definitely met. Thank you.